Welcome to THT Design Channel. I'm THT, who a designer and researcher of homes and living spaces. I am happy to share pictures and knowledge about the house with everyone. A spa-like retreat bathed in nature. Imagine a bathroom that transcends the ordinary, transforming into a tranquil escape surrounded by the beauty of nature. This haven of relaxation seamlessly blends the warmth of light brown wood with the invigorating elements of lush greenery. Warm and inviting, light brown embrace. Light brown wood dominates the space, adorning walls, vanities, or cabinetry. This natural tone creates a sense of warmth and complements the vibrant greenery. Consider light oak, maple, or beech for a modern touch. Earthy accents, woven baskets, jute rugs, and natural fiber towels add a touch of organic texture and complement the natural surroundings. Spa-like ambience, opt for calming neutral tones for floors and tiles. Perhaps a light beige or a soft gray. This reinforces the spa-like atmosphere. Connection with nature. Indoor plants, strategically placed potted plants infuse the space with life and color. Ferns, snake plants, or moisture-loving orchids thrive in the bathroom's typically humid environment. Living wall, optional. Elevate your connection with nature by incorporating a vertical garden on an accent wall. Choose low-maintenance plants suitable for high humidity and moderate light. Natural light, optional if feasible. Incorporate a skylight or a window with a frosted glass panel to introduce natural light, offering a connection to the outdoors and promoting a sense of well-being. Modern touches for comfort, sleek fixtures, modern faucets, showerheads, and towel racks in matte black or brushed nickel add a touch of sophistication and complement the light brown wood tones. Walk-in shower, optional. A walk-in shower creates a spacious feel and allows for a luxurious showering experience. Consider incorporating natural stone tiles or pebbles on the shower floor for a spa-like touch. Freestanding bathtub, optional. A freestanding bathtub in a modern design becomes a focal point of the space, inviting relaxation and indulgence. Overall vibe, this light brown wood bathroom is an oasis of tranquility. The warm tones, abundant greenery, and spa-like elements create a calming, rejuvenating atmosphere. It's a perfect place to unwind, reconnect with nature, and pamper yourself after a long day. Reasons to embrace nature's tranquility. Light brown wood and greenery in your bathroom. This unique bathroom design offers a multitude of benefits, appealing to those who seek a spa-like experience, a connection with nature, and a modern aesthetic. Here's why you might consider incorporating these elements: spa-like ambience and relaxation. Biophilic design. This design approach prioritizes incorporating natural elements to improve well-being and create a restorative environment. Light brown wood and abundant greenery embody this philosophy, fostering a sense of peace and tranquility while you bathe or shower. Stress reduction and improved mood. Studies suggest exposure to nature can lower stress levels, boost mood, and promote feelings of relaxation. This design maximizes these benefits, creating a calming, rejuvenating bathroom retreat. Warm and inviting atmosphere. Light brown wood tones create a sense of warmth, while the greenery adds a touch of life and vibrancy. This combination fosters a spa-like ambience, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Connection with nature, improved air quality. Indoor plants can help purify the air by removing toxins and increasing oxygen levels, especially beneficial in a steamy bathroom environment. A touch of the outdoors. Lush greenery brings the beauty of nature indoors, fostering a connection with the outdoors even when you're inside. Natural inspiration. The presence of plants can inspire a sense of serenity and connection to the natural world, promoting a sense of well-being. Modern aesthetics and functionality. Modern design. The combination of light wood tones, natural elements, and sleek fixtures creates a modern and sophisticated bathroom design. Versatility. While the focus is on nature, you can personalize the space with pops of color in towels, bath mats, or artwork, making it uniquely yours. Functionality. Modern fixtures and vanities ensure a comfortable and functional bathroom experience. Opt for easy-to-clean materials for the bathroom environment. Overall, a bathroom with light brown wood and lots of greenery offers a unique blend of spa-like tranquility, modern aesthetics, and a connection with nature. It's a perfect choice for those who seek a calming and rejuvenating retreat within their home. Transforming your bathroom, light brown with a greenery oasis. Here's a roadmap to guide you in creating a spa-inspired bathroom retreat, infused with the warmth of light brown wood and the vibrancy of greenery. 1. Assess your space and needs, measure and sketch. Measure your bathroom and create a basic layout sketch. This helps visualize vanity placement, fixture locations, and potential challenges for plant placement. Consider your needs. Do you prioritize a spacious shower or a relaxing bathtub? Do you require ample storage space? Knowing your needs helps guide the design. 2. Planning and permits, if applicable, plumbing considerations, if considering a walk-in shower or a freestanding bathtub. Consult a plumber to ensure proper placement and feasibility within your existing plumbing layout. Ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial in a bathroom environment with plants. Ensure adequate ventilation to prevent moisture buildup and mold growth. 3. Embrace warmth and nature, light brown wood. Choose light brown wood for vanities, wall paneling, or even a woodlook tile floor. Opt for light oak, maple, or beech for a modern touch. This tone creates a sense of warmth and complements the greenery. Earthy accents, woven baskets for toiletries, jute rugs, and natural fiber towels add a touch of organic texture and complement the natural surroundings. 4. Create a spa-like ambience. Neutral tones. Opt for calming neutral tones for walls and tiles, perhaps a light beige or a soft gray. This reinforces the spa-like atmosphere and allows the wood and greenery to stand out. Lighting. Strategically placed recessed lighting or sconces with warm white bulbs create a relaxing and spa-like ambience. Consider dimmable lighting for added control. 5. Connect with the greenery. Indoor plant selection. Choose plants that thrive in a humid bathroom environment with moderate light. Consider ferns, snake plants, air plants, or moisture-loving orchids. Plant placement. Strategically place potted plants on shelves, windowsills, or the vanity countertop. Avoid overcrowding the space and ensure proper drainage for the plants. Living wall, optional for an even stronger connection with nature. Consider a vertical garden on an accent wall. Choose low-maintenance plants suitable for high humidity and moderate light. 6. Modern touches and functionality, sleek fixtures, modern faucets, showerheads, and towel racks in matte black or brushed nickel add a touch of sophistication and complement the light brown wood tones. Storage solutions. Incorporate built-in cabinets or vanities with ample storage to maintain a clutter-free look. Consider mirrored cabinets to enhance the feeling of spaciousness. Easy clean materials. Opt for easy-to-clean materials for countertops, floors, and shower walls. Consider options like quartz, porcelain tile, or waterproof laminate. Remember, throughout the process, prioritize creating a calming and functional space. Ensure adequate ventilation for your chosen plants and prioritize functionality with easy-to-clean materials. By carefully planning and considering your preferences and needs, you can create a truly tranquil and rejuvenating bathroom retreat inspired by nature. Please comment below to share your favorite home design style. In addition, you can refer to some images and videos about designs on my channel to get more ideas for your home. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest design trend videos. Don't forget to like and share the video if you like it.